Hey everyone! So we have day 18 of 2 weeks of Techniques Encore. Today we're going to do a swipe, but I'm not just going to leave it as a swipe. I'll probably airbrush some flowers into the bottom, and we will be swiping with black. So I picked very bright colors because I want it bright and happy. So I'm just going to throw some paint on the canvas. Nothing to doing a swipe. It's a great way to save a flip cup that doesn't turn out for you. Just to give it something different. I'll go over these colors here in a minute. All these paints do have silicone in them. Alright, so we're using Soho Cad Yellow. Soho Brilliant Red. Soho Rose Madder. Master's Touch Purple Red. Let me get this bottom one. And also Lucas Rose. I am going to tilt this a little bit just to get it over the sides. And bring it up just a smidge. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and load the top with black. I think I want to put it up just a little bit more. And I think I want some more red down here in the bottom. We'll probably end up pulling it off, but that's okay. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to load this top up with black. I want to go over the edge to get my corners. This is Creative Inspirations Lamp Black. Now, when I do a swipe, I like to use acetate paper. It's like what you'd use for book reports. I do have this in my Amazon shop as well. You can buy a package of it. I need to pull that up so I can swipe. So you just want to lay about 1/4 of an inch on it. Like that. And just pull. I'll go ahead and let that develop a little bit. Okay. Spot here. You can pull that very edge over without having to swipe again. Alright, so now I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to add just a little bit more black. Bring it down just a smidge. Okay. So now I picked out some rose shimmer. And I think I'll also use some pearl. Craft Smart white pearl. Hopefully these won't sink too much. And I'm just going to blow it out with the airbrush. If you have a straw, you can use a straw. You don't have to have an airbrush. Now, like I always say in other videos, black loves to eat your color. So I'm going to go ahead and pull just a little bit in. There's a lot of paint underneath there. But I don't get cracking, so we'll be okay as that dries. Probably could put more pink in there. I think I'll put a bright gold in the middle. And I'm going to skewer it a little bit. They are kind of losing shape, aren't they? I'll probably end up blowing them out a little bit more after I shut the camera off. Okay. So now I want some green, and I think I'll try the peridot. And I'll put I need something that's not green. I'll try a green earth. And we're going to swipe those out. I hit my flower. I'm just putting the pink in so it'll open those petals up just a little bit more. And I'll hit it with straw. This is a first. I don't normally use a straw. There's a lot of color under there. But that's about the best I can do with this. But it just gives you an idea how to do a swipe. And if you don't want to leave it plain, you can go ahead and add a few flowers at the bottom. And that's it for that one, guys. Subscribe if you haven't. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Oh, and smash that notification button so you'll be notified when we upload our next video. Join us on Facebook at the Parage Posse. That's our new group on Facebook. We have a great time on there. You don't have to be an artist to join. Check out my page on Facebook, Christina Welch Art. We do make all our announcements there about the channel. Also, if you're looking for paint pouring supplies, check out the Amazon shop, the Etsy shop for paintings. Those links are below. Our paint mixing videos, the links are below as well, to help you learn how to mix the paint the way that we do it. We get great results, so I wouldn't say it's bad. I like our paint mix. I probably will never change it. And also, our fan mail box, the post office box address is below. The Stone Coat Art Coat resin code is below to do resin, and we'll be bringing that to our channel very soon. And also Monday Night Live, 9 p.m. Eastern, every Monday night. We do some pours and answer questions, throw in an auction, throw in a giveaway. We just have a great time. Check that out on this channel, Monday night at 9 p.m. Eastern. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye now.